Hello, students of Standard 6. Today we are going to learn Chapter 10, Happy Prince, Part 7. We saw that he has given all what he had on his body to the public, to the poor and needy. First, he gave to the poor lady whose son was suffering with hunger and sickness. Second, he gave to the old man who was unable to write his play and he was also hungry, feeling very cold. Third, he gave to the little girl, and the bird, the swallow, said that now I don't go anywhere. I wanted to go to Egypt, but I don't go because you are blind. You have given out your eyes to the people. And then he said, okay, if you are not going, take from my body all the gold which is made with the leaf by leaf it is, take and give to the public, those who are in need. And the bird gave them, and it was very happy that he is able to help the people, those who are in need. And let us see how he has been doing. So here are the people whom the bird is distributing. One poor man, he gave the leaf of gold and he was very happy that I will buy the bread. Second poor man said, I will buy the firewood. First woman said that I can't buy something where my children will not feel cold in this winter. The second woman said, I can buy medicine for my husband who is very sick. And the third poor woman said, thank God that I got this. Thank you, God, for giving me this. Now I can buy the things which I need. So dear children, among these five, the last woman was very grateful and said thanks to God. Others all were worried about their needs. They were worried about their needs and they planned to buy and do the things. But they never thought to thank the people, thank the person who has given them. It is all inspiration of the God who has given them. They never felt gratefulness for it. So gratitude is the best attitude. Now let us listen. The poor men and women live running and shouting joyfully. The swallow is tired. He lies between the happy prince's feet. Swallow, I did as you told me, lying down near the statue between the feet and saying, I have done as you said to me. Now I will sleep for a while. I am very tired. Now said, I completed your duty. Whatever you said, I have done it. Now I will lie down. I will sleep. I will rest for a while. Happy prince, rest my good friend. You deserve it. The happy prince said, yes, you can rest because you deserve rest. Till now you have been working. The swallow closed his eyes little by little and dies. Swallow closed the eyes and died there slowly. The mayor, his guard and crowd entered and looked at the statue. The mayor came, the village head, a person came with his guard and everybody. They wanted to take the statue of gold and all the wealth. Meanwhile, everything happy prince distributed to the people and now nothing was there. Mayor was very surprised what happened. It is only a mud little. They said dead swallow lying beside the statue. They said there is a dead swallow. which is lying between the statue. The ruby, the sapphire and the gold that cover the statue are not there. Now they are wondering that neither gold is there, nor ruby is there, nor sapphire is there. And now only statue of the mud is there, which is broken, nothing is there. And they were so surprised. Mayor, the statue is worthless. Now he says, now what is the use of taking this statue? He says, worthless, I can't use it nowhere. Let us destroy it and throw everything to the thrush, including the swallow. So he said, let us break it out, destroy it. Now what is the use of it? We don't need it. The mayor, his guard and crowd take this statue and destroy it. They leave pieces of the statue and the heart on the ground. The happy prince's heart and the swallow's body remain together. The mayor, his guard and crowd leave. The angel enter. When these guards and mayor, they all went out, then the angel came. Angel entered there, and what does the angel? Where am I going to find the two most beautiful things I have seen? My God asked me to. He sees and takes in his hands the gold heart and the dead swallow. Oh, these are the most beautiful things I have seen here on earth. I will take them to God. See, look at the picture here. Can you see? The angel has come and taking in one hand heart and other hand the bird's bird, and telling that these two are the beautiful, most beautiful things on earth, and this I will take. I will take to heaven, to God, and it will be there. And see how nicely it is carrying it. All the people did not understand the value of it, but the angel understood it is the most precious, and taking the heart of the prince and the dead body of the swallow, and taking and going to God. Where it is going? Going to God. Children, if you do good things, nothing will be waste for you. Everything will be safe. Even people destroy you, God will carry you. He will send his angels to carry you to him. He will never let you down. He loves you and he will take care of you. If you take care of the people whom he loves or who are in need, help always, be ready to help. See, the little bird wanted to go Egypt, wanted to see Nile River, how lion they come and drink water, how high it is the pyramid. But when Prince asked him to help, he left his plan and he helped the people. And their reward he got, that angel came and took him to God. So remember children, learn properly, help others, those who are in need, be kind, speak good words to everyone whom you meet. Thank you children.